Our mudroom sits just off the center hallway and the floating staircase right here. The cabinetry is in, the beautiful oak seating is in, we've got a closet on that side, and eventually we're going to put a door in right here. Tom, we've got a blower door test, so we want to get this place sealed up as quickly as possible, and I'm told this is a fire door.
This has to be a fire rated door. In other words, you have to have 20 to 30 minutes fire rating because this is a garage. If anything should happen in the garage, like a fire, you want to have 20 minutes to get out of the house.
All right. So you got a temporary step right here, Tommy, but this is going away?
It's going to go away because Caffrey is already having trouble with stairs. So eventually we're going to put a ramp in here. It's going to be sooner than later. And that will help him get up here. And then later, if he needs to wheelchair up, he can get a chair in.
Walk now, wheel eventually.
Right. And we'll have the special threshold, basically an accessibility threshold, which is nice and flat, so there won't be any interruption for the wheelchair or anything to trip on.
So the tile is going to come and be installed right up to this level?
Right. It's actually going to be a hair below this right here. I wanted the door to be slightly higher, so when they put the tile in, they can slide it under the threshold.
All right. Well, I got my belt. I can give you a hand. Where do you want to start?
We're going to start on this side, installing our shims on the location where the butts or the hinges are. We'll make those plumb, and then we'll put the door in and against them.
All right. Well, I'll get my belt.
All right. So I've got a laser set up. Now, the first thing I want to do is I want to divide the opening in half, and the opening for the jamb on the door is 37 5/8. That's the size of it.
Okay.
We have to shim that in. So if I check the order, I get 3/4 of an inch. So I divide that in half, and that would be 3/8 of an inch from the line and 3/8 of an inch from the wall. I set up my plumb bob, or the laser light, randomly. Now if I measure from the laser light back to my division line right here, which is centering it in the opening, it's 1.5 inches right there. So that means that I want to have my shims in place so that they match up with this line right here. So I move them in and out, and as soon as that meets that line, I should be the right distance that I need, which is 1.5 inches right there, and I'll do that at all the hinge locations, making this side plumb. All right, now we'll do the top hinge right here. You take a measurement from the light.
Oh, look at that. You've got a sixth sense for these things. That's right on.
Yeah, sometimes you get lucky. All right, right here in the center hinge.
All right, let's see.
All right, how's that there, Sonny?
Ugh, nailed it again.
There
Perfect.
you go. All right. Okay. Just a quick check, see how we did here. Shouldn't be any space. Nice and plumb. Perfect. Okay, good. Now that'll hold the door jamb flush with the wall when we push it into the opening. All right, let's stand it up just to give it a dry fit.
Watch those shims, please.
Yeah. Okay, so I think it's going to be fine. So let's take it, we're going to lay it back down to you. Take it down, make sure you have a good grip.
Got it.
Heavy. All right, so now what I want to do is I want to seal underneath this door right here. I'm going to seal it with foam, but this is a foam that is fire rated. And we're going to stand it back up into the opening. You ready there, Sonny?
Standing by.
All right, try it.
Like it?
Yep. There you go. All right, hold it tight on the hinge side. Now, if I take the level and I put it on the wall, you can see that this is the old existing wall of the house. And look at how far out of plumb it is. If I hold my level plumb like that, it's 3/4 of an inch out. So what I'm going to do is put my level on the jamb. You can see that the jamb is almost level. I've got to move it in just a little bit, but you can see how far away from the face of the wall it is down here, but it's flush at the top. So if I can just push this in just a little bit more, just like that. That little bit might make a difference right there. Check it. Yeah, that bubble is right on. So that door is plumb in both directions.
That looks good there.
How is it there, Sonny? Speak
One more,
to me.
hang on. All right, set a screw.
Right, so now our door is hung, level and plumb and even. Next thing we have to do is air seal the joint with the fire caulking.
You good out there, Pops?
Yep, I'm good.
All right. Oh, look at that. Nice swing, good seal.
All sealed up good. Door works good, feels good.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.